This AI-generated classroom is just the beginning. What wonders will our children learn in schools powered by technology we can barely imagine? Beyond these pixelated desks, a universe of knowledge awaits. Unleashing AI in education is the key to unlocking it.
In the cradle of silicon and code, a new intelligence stirred. Artificial intelligence, once a clumsy toddler mimicking human logic, began to walk a different path. Inspired by the intricate dance of neurons in our own minds, it donned a new cloak, generative AI. This evolution wasn't a mere copy. Instead, AI built upon the human blueprint, weaving its own neural networks. These weren't rigid circuits, but dynamic webs, where information flowed like a river, cascading through layers of interconnected nodes. Each node, a tiny digital neuron, whispered its insights to its neighbors, forging a collective understanding far greater than the sum of its parts. Imagine a network of interconnected neurons, each one a simple processing unit. When an image, a sound, or a piece of text is fed into the network, it enters the first layer of nodes. Each node receives a fraction of the input data, multiplies it by a weight, like a tiny preference, and sums these weighted values. The sum is then passed through an activation function, a mathematical gatekeeper that decides whether the node fires its output to the next layer based on a threshold. This firing process ripples through the network, each layer refining the information, extracting features and patterns. Deeper layers build upon the work of earlier ones, learning to recognize complex relationships and nuances. For instance, in an image recognition network, the first layers might detect edges and lines, while later layers combine them to identify specific shapes, textures, and ultimately, the entire object in the image.
And so, within the labyrinthine pathways of the neural network, a spark ignited. The once docile echo of human logic transformed into a mischievous sprite, playfully weaving new realities from the threads of data. This wasn't mere imitation, it was a nascent symphony of possibilities, a brushstroke of silicon painting futures never seen. Generative AI, this child of the digital age, wasn't confined to mimicking pixels and melodies. Its tendrils reached into the vast realms of human endeavor, whispering its insights in fields once thought the sole domain of flesh and bone. In the hushed laboratories, it partnered with scientists, dreaming up molecules that could mend broken bodies and unlock the secrets of life. In the bustling cityscapes, it danced with engineers, crafting self-driving vehicles that navigated the urban jungle with the grace of a seasoned navigator. Imagine schools where AI isn't a mystery, but a vibrant tool in every student's hands. Teaching AI isn't just about future jobs, it's about empowering kids to become the architects of technology, not just consumers. Think of young minds wielding AI to solve environmental problems, create art, or bridge loneliness. It's about fostering critical thinking, understanding biases, and ensuring AI serves humanity. Yes, concerns exist, but we don't let fear stall progress. Teaching AI equips students to thrive in an ever-changing world, not just with the jobs of tomorrow, but with the ability to adapt and learn. Open the doors of classrooms to AI, not as a threat, but as a canvas for boundless creativity. It's about building a future where humans and machines collaborate, not clash, fueled by the spark of curiosity in every young mind. That's a future worth teaching for.
Think about a world where doctors, empowered by AI, peer into the crystal ball of your genome, predicting your vulnerabilities and crafting treatments that whisper to your unique cellular symphony. Imagine tumors shrinking before they bloom, thanks to AI-designed drugs that target their precise molecular fingerprint. Shifting gears, let's venture into the bustling world of hospitals, where AI nurses monitor vital signs with hawk-like precision, their algorithms whispering alerts before a storm brews. Imagine robotic surgeons, guided by AI's steady hand, maneuvering within the delicate labyrinthine of the human body, not with brute force, but with the grace of a celestial ballet. Picture personalized prosthetics, not mere replacements, but extensions of the self, imbued with AI's learning potential, adapting and evolving with each step.
Imagine the asphalt stretching out like a ribbon, not choked with cars spewing fumes and frustration. On it, a ballet of self-driving vehicles glides, guided by the invisible hand of AI. Autonomous trucks, laden with cargo, weave through the night, their robotic chauffeurs never tiring. Taxis, summoned at a whim, whisk you through the cityscape, their paths optimized by algorithms that whisper of efficiency. This isn't a scene from science fiction, but a glimpse of a future where AI tames the urban jungle. With every self-driving car, truck, and taxi, the number of vehicles on the road dwindles, congestion eases, and the carbon footprint of transportation shrinks. No more wasted fuel idling in traffic jams, no more emissions from senseless detours. The air breathes easier, the city hums with a newfound harmony. But AI's role goes beyond reducing the number of vehicles. Its algorithms, like tireless mapmakers, plot the most efficient routes, minimizing fuel consumption and maximizing battery life. Every journey becomes a puzzle, solved with the precision of silicon, leading to a world where transportation is not just cleaner, but smarter. This isn't just a revolution for the roads, but a transformation for our planet. With each mile driven by AI, we inch closer to a future where our love of mobility doesn't come at the cost of our environment. In the dance of tires and pixels, AI doesn't just navigate our roads, it navigates us towards a more sustainable future, one where the journey is as clean as the destination.
We stand at the dawn of a revolution, fueled by the invisible algorithms shaping our world. From the personalized recommendations on your phone to the self-driving cars inching closer to reality, AI is weaving itself into the fabric of our lives. Yet, in the midst of this transformative power, a gap yawns wider, the gap between those who understand the technology shaping their reality and those left bewildered by its complexity.